Do you want to master medical devices registration in the one of the most interesting ever market in the GCC region? So let's fly together to United Arab Emirates. Let's fly together to Dubai. Let's travel together to Burj Khalifa. Let's travel together to the Expo 2020. And actually now it's 2021. And let's master placing our medical devices in such a highly interesting market. This market which is really, you have to be there in order to, if you have a really want to have a presence in the META region, so you must, or you can't miss the market of the UAE, the business hub for the whole GCC market. This market which is highly competitive, which is actually the market for all kinds of businesses to grow. So my name is Zahra Hassan. I came to you from the industry. I have more than 10 years of experience in the pharma industry. I believe in order to be such an expert in such a career, you need to combine both study plus practice. That's why I have 3 master degrees. I started my first one in the field of pharmacology and toxicology, and this actually was some sort of collaboration between the UAE University Faculty of Medicine and Manchester University in the UK. I have 2 publications out of this master degree, and then when I found my passion in the pharma industry, I decided to follow my passion and I did my MBA. And my third one, it's a very, very interesting career, relatively new career also in the pharma industry, which is the pharmacovigilance, the field which is dealing with the safety of the product. And this is actually from Bordeaux University in France, which is currently I'm a PhD student there. This is in addition to my membership in the RAP Society of the US for the regulatory affairs. So, you can be your pilot today. Let's travel together to United Arab Emirates. Let's fly together to Dubai. Let's master placing our medical devices there in such highly interesting market, highly dynamic market, highly competitive market also there. And so, I can't wait to see you on my course. I can't wait to see you on board. And best of luck with all of you. And thank you.